Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not working on Ladder. So if the notifications are not working on your app, the issue is usually caused by disabled permissions, battery optimization, focus, and the not disrupt modes or background app restrictions. So actually guys, first we'll need just to enable the notifications for Ladder, and that's the most important part, and it's the first one. Okay, so on your iPhone you will need just to go with the device settings right here, and then scroll down to the notifications option. So that's one. Okay, and here you will need to find Ladder. Okay, so scroll till you can find it. That's one. Okay, so there you go, tap it, and then go with allow notifications option. It's the first one. Okay, and also guys, we'll need to disable the focus mode or do not disturb or DND. So workout reminders and messages can be silently blocked by the focus mode, do not disturb, and sleep mode. So actually guys, you will need just to go here, back, tap on the search bar at the bottom and look for focus. Okay, so first one, tap it, and then just go with the ND or the not disturb. All right, and here you will need to tap on or turn it off. And if you have the latest version of the Android, you will need to go with the focus status at the bottom here, and then just go with off from here. Okay, or here. Alright, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.